I had a little meeting with the dirt.
Like you have.
I got a little too close.
Well, shit happens. Poop happens, as they say.
Looks like I just dug a servo in. Yeah, just a little low. But other than that, a little epoxy on the servo, and I think we're gonna be okay.
Take a lick and keep on fishing.
It's yeah. That's all we got. Servo out. We'll mix up a little epoxy and.
Is that out of it? Is that an old scar?
No, that's a new scar. Okay, what we're doing is leaning the wing right up against the dowel and about halfway between the servo and the edge. Night Flyer launch in 3, 2, 1. Night Flyer launch in 3, 2, 1. Night Flyer launch in 3, 2, 1. Night Flyer launch in 3, 2, 1.